In this video, I'll show you how you can generate new leads with a high converting funnel using your own funnel, form, and domain. To get started, head to sites in your own account. Then under funnels, we'll create our first funnel by clicking new funnel. We can either create one from blank by adding a name, create one using Funnel AI, or create one from templates. We have over 1,000 pre-built funnel templates, so we'll get started using one of those. Click continue and then select your funnel template from the funnel template library. You can find a template that suits your needs by navigating the different categories on the left-hand side. To preview a funnel that you like, click the eyeball icon in the top right-hand side, and then you can scroll to view the funnel on this screen before clicking continue. From here, the system will create your very own funnel by using this template. Once your funnel's been created, you'll be navigated to the funnel editor. This is where you can change funnel copy, logos, names, etc. Every funnel you create will be designed to funnel the user's attention towards one specific action. By clicking our action button, we can see on the right-hand side, the button action is to open a pop-up, as we can see here. To modify our pop-up, navigate to the top toolbar and select Pop-up Settings. This pop-up currently has a two-step order form, but we're going to use our own form instead. To do this, let's delete our two-step order form element, then click Add Element and add our form element. From here, we can create our very first form by selecting Take Me to Form Builder. From the Form Builder, click Add Form. This will open up the Form Editor, where we can customize our fields and branding. Once we're satisfied with our form, we can give it a name in the top, and then click Save. To navigate back to the Funnel Builder, click Back, then select Funnels, and navigate to your funnel template that we just created. We can modify our opt-in page by selecting Edit. Once again, we can open up our pop-up from the top toolbar by clicking Pop-up Settings. And using our form element, we can select the form that we just created by selecting it on the right-hand side. To finish off this funnel, we'll select Button Actions on the right-hand side and select Go to Next Step. Once we click Save in the top right-hand side, we can exit out of our funnel builder. Lastly, it's time to add our domain in settings in order to see our funnel live. To do this, navigate to Settings in the left-hand side of the screen, and then navigate to Domains. From here, we can select Connect a Domain in the top right-hand side, input our domain, click Continue, and then click Continue once more. From here, the system will find our domain in order to give us our next steps to set up our domain. The steps to connect your domain to the system will vary depending on your domain provider, but once you have added your domain records to your DNS settings, click Verify Records. Once your domain has been connected successfully, you can link it to your funnel that you just created by clicking Link Domain with Funnel, selecting your funnel, selecting the default page, and clicking Proceed to finish. And just like that, you can now generate new leads with your high converting funnel and form that we created within this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.